Topographical surveyors play a crucial role in the development and design of various projects in Gurgaon. These professionals are equipped with the knowledge and expertise to accurately measure and map the physical features of a specific area of land. The data collected during a topographical survey provides valuable information about the terrain, elevation, existing structures, and other relevant details. This information is then used by engineers, architects, and designers to create effective plans for construction and development projects. In the booming city of Gurgaon, topographical surveyors are in high demand due to the rapid urbanization and infrastructure development taking place. With their specialized skills and equipment, these professionals are able to accurately assess the land and provide accurate measurements and detailed maps. This information is vital for various purposes such as land acquisition, site planning, road construction, drainage system design, and many more. One of the key areas where topographical surveyors in Gurgaon are essential is in the field of SCON design. SCON design refers to the systematic approach of designing and implementing sustainable, comprehensive, and organized networks for various facilities such as roads, transportation systems, utilities, and other essential services. Topographical surveyors play a crucial role in this process by providing accurate data on the existing topography and physical features of the land. This information is used by designers to plan the most efficient routes and locations for these networks, ensuring that they are well integrated into the existing environment and meet the needs of the growing population in Gurgaon. By considering factors such as slopes, drainage patterns, existing structures, and vegetation cover, these professionals can provide valuable insights that help in making informed decisions during the design process. In Gurgaon, many projects are developed and designed with the help of topographical surveyors. These experts are prepared with the skills and knowledge necessary to precisely gauge and map the terrain's physical characteristics. A topographical survey gathers data that is useful for learning about the terrain, elevation, existing structures, and other pertinent information. Engineers, architects, and designers use this knowledge to produce efficient designs for building and development projects. Topographical surveyors are in high demand in Gurgaon because of the city's increasing urbanization and infrastructural development. These experts can provide precise measurements, thorough maps, and accurate assessments of the land thanks to their specific expertise and equipment. This knowledge is essential for many tasks, including buying land, choosing a site, building a road, designing a drainage system, and many more. The subject of SCON design is one of the most important areas where topographical surveyors in Gurgaon are crucial. SCON design is the methodical process of creating and implementing extensive, coordinated, and sustainable networks for a variety of facilities, including utilities, roadways, transportation networks, and other critical services. By giving precise information on the topography and other physical characteristics of the land, topographical surveyors play a critical part in this process. Designers use